Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to easily share your favorite apps and games with everyone on Facebook using your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook by accessing the website or launching the app. Step 2. Look for your profile photo in the top right corner and give it a click. Step 3. Click on your name to navigate to your profile page. Step 4. On your profile page, find and click on Check-ins. Step 5. Scroll down to find the title Apps and Games and click on the 3 dots icon next to it. Step 6. From the menu that appears, click on Edit Privacy. Step 7. Next, locate the Like section and click on the button next to it. Step 8. Select Public from the options provided. Step 9. Once you've made your selection, click on Save. Step 10. Finally, click on Close to exit the settings menu. That's it. You've now learned how to share apps and games with everyone on Facebook. Enjoy spreading the word about your favorite apps and games to your friends and followers. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.